let's go ahead and get this done. The last video I failed to get the lights up because the lights were broken. So this time we're going to get the lights up. But another issue I've encountered is this light set. It might be a bit too long. So we're just gonna use it and see what happens. I do typically, yeah, this might be a bit too long if the kitten's on the end attacking the other side of the set. We're going to make do. We're going to figure it out. By the way, you're not supposed to let your cats attack Christmas lights. It's not good for them. You're getting caught up on the tripod. It's definitely be more than enough to reach the window. I do kind of like how these are looking already. Oops, I just... fix these a bit. I don't even know where the camera's probably not even looking at like where I'm at. Next part's gonna require tape. Let's get tape. For once, I don't think this will actually be down here. It's not in the basement. I checked earlier. So I think it might be in here. In the junk cabinet, where I would most likely put it. Which I don't know. It's not going to be in that one because I only just started putting stuff in there recently. Because of Christmas. So we'll check another bedroom up here. I don't see it in here. Like I was actually going to put it in this room anyway. Have another project to deal with later relating to this and that. Oops. That's confusing. Yeah, it could seriously be anywhere around here. It's probably just in sight, and I just can't see it for the life of me for some reason. It's not there. It's not there. I don't think it would be over here. Don't know why it would be in there. And just, no, that's not what this is for. I don't believe it's in here as well. Because I don't know why it would. Because I don't even remember putting it in here, let alone having an excuse to put it in here. Window candles. That's going to be a thing I'm going to have to work on tonight. Arg. Attempt to recycle the tape that's up there already? I don't know. I never really intend on doing that because it's... What's over here? No, that's expensive. Fun. Why am I looking over here? Like it's gonna actually be over here somewhere, even though I already checked. All this is just books and snowmen. Sheesh. Oh yeah, that's just files. It's not gonna be with the files. There's literally nothing in here. Nothing. So I'm totally not living off of Pepsi right now, but what I found a type. It took a while. It was in the place that I put it last, which that makes sense, but it doesn't for some reason. Move back the expensive laptop so I don't step on it. Probably shouldn't be staying on cabinets, but I only weigh 125 pounds. It's about the same weight as a Fetter's Wetter Wheel. The 8000 BTU variety of a Fetter's Wetter Wheel. If you don't know what that is, Google it. And Fedders is spelled F-E-D-D-E-R-S. There's actually a good bit of tape up here from the past seasons. I'm just going to remove the tape just for safety's sake so it sticks a bit better. Maybe this time at the end of the year I will actually remove the tape. Who knows? Kind of drape it down here in the corner a bit before. Oh, the mini fridge just turned on. So we got one up here. I'm going to drape this behind my head, which is probably a stupid idea. The mirror of this tape does not feel sticky for some reason. Cat is doing something. This tape I feel like is doing jack crap. Maybe it is, who knows. I'm going to put another piece on just because it's not doing. I have to use painter's tape because anything else will rip off the paint. Don't want to do screws because that creates holes. Same with nails. Guess I could use 3M command hook things, which I'm pretty sure I have some somewhere, but I don't know where I put those. Yeah, that's up there good now. I'm going to have a bit extra, I guess. To reposition camera. What I might do is put a small Christmas tree there and then put the lights on that. Because I know I have a small Christmas tree. And I'll have to find a place to put my self-photo of myself when I was in actually, no, I could be elementary school maybe. I don't know. Should be wall mounted somewhere. My cat is attempting to eat a plastic bag as we speak. These fake cacti. It's a mess with my OCD if I just put it there off to the side. Got all of these old pieces of mail which I would like to file. I'm just going to put this photo of myself here. I have the small trees down in the basement, so I'm going to go get one of those. I don't even know anymore what's going on with my life, except Christmas is festive and pretty. I'm trying not to roll that chair back even more because there's totally not a table there. This tree looks too small. But whatever. Need to do something with all of these extra lights. It's probably not the most prettiest thing that there's a light strand literally coming out the side of it, but who cares? Actually, I could put those back. If I had like small snowmen, that would be nice. Actually, I know I have small snowmen, but for some reason I don't really like this nearly as much as I would have liked that. Yeah, that's secure. Okay. It's fastened. Yeah, it does the job. I would like if it looked a bit better. I don't know why. Maybe the strand's just too long. It is the multi-mode set, so we have various modes. But I think this one, when it gets unplugged and then plugged back in, it decides to automatically go to one of the preset modes. It has a button on it instead of an actual rotary dial like some of the other sets I have do, like what's on that tree. This tree over here has a standard rotary dial, so I can set it back to the desired setting when I'm done. Now I'm going to have to figure out how many times to hit the button to put it on the continuous. I think this is just the in-wave setting, which I do really like this set, so it's not a big deal if it's on this when it turns on, because this is a really nice mode. I'm going to actually keep it like this for a while, because I do kind of like my lights to be animated. It's a lot better than just plain Christmas lights. And I'm going to have to figure out something for over here, because I want to put lights over here now. I don't have a small multi-mode set, though. So thank you very much for watching, and keep the breeze, and happy holidays.